Welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you unique style mustard paneer masala. Easy to make and tasty recipe. For making this recipe, turn on the heat, put 3 tablespoon oil. After oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon cumin seed and a bay leaf. Saute for few seconds until it fragrant and color change. Next add 2 chopped tomato. I have roughly chopped 2 tomatoes. Cook over medium to low flame. Add a teaspoon salt and stir in between. Next add half a teaspoon turmeric powder and a teaspoon red chili powder. Well, combine the spices and cook over low flame. In the meantime, prepare a paste in a blender jar. Add 2 teaspoon mustard seed, 2 teaspoon poppy seed. I have soaked both for 10 minutes. Next add 2 to 3 green chili and some melon seed. Add 2 teaspoon melon seed and add a teaspoon salt. Firstly dry grind and then gradually add water little by little and make smooth paste. Now our tomato is well cooked and soft. Add the mixture. Reduce the heat and mix well. Cook over low flame 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overcook, otherwise it will be bitter because of the mustard seed. So don't overcook. Next add little water. I have added half cup water. If you like much gravy, then you can add more water, but don't add water more than 1 cup. Cook until the gravy boils. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the paneer cube. I have added 250 grams paneer cube. Turn to medium heat. Well, combine the paneer cube with the spices and cook over medium heat for 2 minutes. Then put a lid and simmer. Cook over 5 to 7 minutes till the paneer is well cooked. Stir and mix well. Our paneer is well cooked. At last add half a teaspoon whole spices powder and sprinkle some coriander leaves. If you like, here you can add some sugar. It's a quick and unique style recipe. Pairs well with rice. It's equally good with jeera rice or steamed rice. At last, one more time, put a lid and cook for just 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid. Give a good mix. See, our yummy mustard paneer is done. Friends, if this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. I need your support. Thanks for watching.